So like the waiata aiyo, when said in karakia form, the meaning doesn't change. So simply, it still means peace on earth, peace in the sky. The natural laws of the land are what will bring about for us all well-being. The important part is picking which ending to use depending on the occasion. Tihei mauri ora is an ending you'd use if you used aiyo as the karakia to open up an event, to open up a meeting, or to open up a space for everybody. The slightly longer one, e rongo waka iri ia ki runga ai, tūturu o witi waka maua kia tingna, haumi e hui e, tai ki e, is an ending that a male would use because we are asking for validation from the collective. Twice, we're asking everybody to say, tina, do you support us? Haumi e hui e, tai ki e. And if they do support you, they'll respond, tai ki e, by saying, yes, we support you. E rongo e waka iri ia ki runga ai is one that generally a female, a lady or a girl would use. And they would use that because unlike males, they're not asking for support because they are the bearers of children or the future bearers of children. And so they don't actually need men to validate why they're ending a particular occasion. So we just have to respond, I.